Vedic Maths classes. Good evening, students. Welcome back. How are you? I hope you are in the best of your health. Welcome to the Vedic Maths classes. I am your Vedic Maths teacher, Miss Garima Singh. I hope students you remember me. So students, in our previous topic, we have studied the IXI method for two-digit numbers. Yes, what are two digits? This, the number which contain two digits. So these type of numbers means the two-digit numbers. So in our previous video, we have discussed the IXI method for two-digit numbers. Students, with this video, I have also given you one practice PDF. I hope students that you have done that practice PDF in your Vedic Maths notebook. I hope students कि आपने वो practice PDF अपनी Vedic Maths notebook में की होगी. Very nice. So students, today we will go for the IXI method but for three-digit numbers. Now, what are three-digit numbers? The number which contain three digits. This is a three-digit number. You can see 1, 2, 3. Another number we can take. This is a three-digit number. 1, 2, 3. So, today our topic is IXI method for the three-digit multiplication. IXI method is a method for multiplication. Students, with the help of this IXI method, you can easily multiply your sums in some minutes, and if you will practice it very nicely, then you can do the sums in some seconds also by orally in your mind. So kids, make sure you watch every single video and stay tuned to my video to learn more. So let's start our today's topic. Are you ready, kids? Very nice. So, our today's topic, multiplication, we will start with the first sum. Our first sum is 121 311. Now students, listen what we have to do in this. See, we have to use the IXI method in it. Now see, first of all, I will tell you one by one. Now first of all, you will multiply the first two digits, means the right hand side numbers. Students, you have to start your calculation from right hand side, and you always start from right hand side only. Just remember it. So first of all, multiply the extreme right hand side numbers. Extreme means the last right hand side numbers, two numbers. So 1 ones are 1. You have multiplied both of them. Now next, what you have to do, kids? Now the next, first of all, you have multiplied and 1 is there. Now what you have to do, you have to multiply cross. Remember kids, IXI. Yes. So next, first of all, you have done this. Now what you have to do, you have to do cross. Get it? Now you have to multiply the last two numbers and just in a cross position, and whatever the answer will be, you have to add them. Like 2 ones are 2, 1 ones are 1 and add them. 2 plus 1, 3. And here is 3. Are you getting, kids? Very nice. Now, the next is you have multiplied the last two digits. Now you will multiply the whole digits. And one more thing, this also. Now what this means? This means that 3 will multiply with 1, 1 will multiply with 1 and 2 will multiply with 1. Means these digits will get multiplied, these digits will get multiplied and the mid one also will get multiplied. So count them, kids. 3 ones are 3, 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2 and what is your answer? Add them. See, 3 1 we have got already. 3 1, 3 1. Now 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 here. Now kids, the next part. Now, first of all, you have multiplied the straight, then cross, then again cross. But the left hand side, last two numbers you will do like this. In this and this, there is a difference, kids. See, these are the right hand side two numbers and these are the left hand side two numbers. So multiply them both. See, 1 ones are 1, 3 twos are 6 and add them. It is 7. So this we have got already and this 7 here. Now our last, which is this I again. See, 1 2 1, 3 1 1. See, this much we have got already. Now the last, this. Multiply these both. 3 ones are 3 and this is your answer. I hope students you are seeing this. See students, I have explained you very nicely one by one. So it is taking space also and time also. You have to do these calculations in your mind, and if one time you will practice this method, you can easily do your mathematical calculations also with this method. Now students, the main thing which we get from this question is, the first thing which you will do is I means you have to multiply the right hand side, extreme right hand side numbers. Extreme means सबसे किनारे वाले. So these numbers you will multiply, the extreme ones. Second, you will do cross. Now as you are starting from this side, so you will do the cross of these two numbers, and this you have done in the 2-digit multiplication also. I hope kids, those who have seen my previous video, they are well known with it. And those who have not seen my video, please watch my previous video first and then watch today's video. Then after cross, what you will do? Again one more cross. One more cross means you have to take all the 3 digits this time. First of all, you have taken only one line. Secondly, you have taken 2 lines. Now you will take 3 lines. Kids, see this? 3. 3 means how? This and the middle one also you have to multiply. And after multiplying, you have to add all the numbers. Like 3 ones are 3, 1 ones are 1 and 2 ones are 2. After this, you have to do cross. Cross means the extreme left hand side numbers like this. And the last, when it is completed, now you are at the last position. The last thing which you have to do is the I again, and last what we have to do, multiply the extreme left hand side numbers. Kids, you can see this calculation can be like this. First of all, what you have to do? You have to do I, this. Then what you have to do? You have to do cross, this. Then you have to do the double cross, means one more is there line. Then you have to do again cross and then I. You can say this is your pattern. First of all I, then cross, then triple cross, this. Then again cross and then I. Students, if you will learn this, you can easily do your calculations in your mind. This time it's taking time and space because I have explained you very thoroughly. If you will do it again and again and practice it, you can do it orally also. So let's move to our next sum, and that sum we will do directly without doing these open calculations. Now it's our second question. 2, 1, 1, 1, 4, 3. Now this I will do here only, and all the calculations we will do in this page. Means the right hand side I will do the calculation. We can take it as a rough. Now here we will do. And kids, the sum which I am doing here and the method which I will use here, means oral calculations, you will also have to use the same type in your Vedic Maths notebook. Don't do the calculations like that which I have done just before. That is for your explanation. Do like this. Now first of all, what I have told you, I. Now 3 ones are 3. Now rub it. Now second is cross. Only 2 lines you will take. Cross. Now cross, what you have to do? Multiply them and add them also. Don't forget to add, students. 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4, and add them. 4 plus 3, 7. Done. Now the next is triple cross. 1, 2, 3. Means the mid one also. This, and mid one also. Triple cross. So now triple cross. Now first of all multiply and add all the numbers. 3 twos are 6, 1 ones are 1, 4 ones are 4. Now add them. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Now kids, as you can see, 11 is there. So you will not write 11 here. You will only write this number, and 1 will go carry to the left hand side. As you always do, when double digits are there, what you do? You write 1 and 1 will go carry to the left hand side. Now next, after triple cross, again single cross. Single cross means this. Means take 2 lines but of left hand side. Now multiply. 4 twos are 8, 1 ones are 1, add them. 8 plus 1, 9. So students, 9 is there. Now 9, but don't forget this carry. So 9 plus 1, 10, 10, 0 here, and 1 will go again, carry. Now the last, after cross is I. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3, and this is your answer. See kids, it's very easy. See, this calculation which I have done, like multiplication and this addition, See, it's very easy addition. You can do this addition in your mind. With this method, you can easily find the answer of the 3-digit multiplication orally in your mind, kids. But it needs practice. Again, I am saying, as I always say, the more you practice, the better the results. जितना आप ज़्यादा practice करेंगे, आपको उतना अच्छा result मिलेगा. So students, if you will practice this multiplication method and if you will become familiar with it, you can use this method in your regular mathematics also. And orally you can do your calculations. Now you will get it more when we will do the next sum. So our third sum. Students, the only thing which you have to learn is this pattern. And when you will do 5 to 6 sums with this pattern, you will learn it by its own. Now it's fine, students, this pattern and this. Now the first is I. 6 2s are 12. 12 2 here. 1 will go carry. I hope students you are doing with me. The best method to learn and to practice is just play my video, put the notebook in front of you and do with me. If you will do with me, you can easily learn this method. So this I we have done. Now what is there? See, cross. Fine. Now multiply. 2 1s are 2. 6 zeros are 0. One more thing, students. Some students will think that madam is multiplying this side first, then this side afterwards, and some other. No. You can multiply. Don't get confused. You can multiply anything first. Anything means like you can do 2 1s are 2 also first, and you can do 0 6 also first. The answer will be the same. आप इस साइड मल्टीप्लाई करें या इस साइड मल्टीप्लाई करें, पहले किसी को भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. Like you can multiply 1 2s are 2 also first, and if I will write this 0 6 are 0 and 1 2s are 2, that will also be 2 only. See, so you can multiply any number first, but remember to multiply and then add them. So 2 1s are 2, 0 6 are 0, and answer is 2. Now 2 is not your answer. Don't forget to add the carry. Now 2 plus 1, 3. Now this carry will go. Now the next I you have done. Now the next is triple cross. This. Now multiply them. 2 2s are 4. 6 3s are 18 and 1 zeros are 0. Now add them. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 2 here. 1 will go carry. 1 plus 1, 2. The answer is 22. 22. 2 will come here and 2 will go carry to the left hand side. Now after this again is there cross. Now some students will do the cross here. No, you will do the cross here now. Means to the left hand side. The 2 rows. Now 2 zeros are 0. 3 1s are 3 and add them. It is 3 plus 0, 3. Now 3 is not the answer. Carry is there. 3 plus 2, 5 and rub this. Now the last, which is I. Now 3 2s are 6 and carry is also not there. So 6 we will write directly and this is your answer. These calculations again I am saying you can do in your mind. We will also do in our mind in our last sum. The last sum which we will do, it will be totally orally. And you will see that how orally you can do the sums without doing a single rough work. So, is it nice? 5 sums we will do today, students. Next sum, then the last one orally. So, let's move to our 4th sum. Just keep this pattern in your mind. I, then cross, then triple cross, then cross, then I. You can learn this. It is repeating. Kids, only this is the fixed one. And these are repeating. See, I, then X, then X, then I. These both are repeating and this is a fixed one. It's very easy to learn this, kids. Now your 4th sum. 9, 8, 1, 1, 6, 4. Now, the first thing which we will do is I. So, I means this. Now, multiply both of them. 4 ones are 4. No carry is there? Fine. Now, the next is cross. Cross means this. Cross means you will cross, multiply the right hand side 2 rows. Now, 8 fours are 32 and 6 ones are 6. Add them. 6 plus 2, 8 and 3. It is 38. 38. 8 will come here. 3 will go carry. Now, after this cross, what it is? Triple. Now, multiply all of them. 9 fours are 36. 1 ones are 1. 8 six are 48. And add them. Again I am repeating, kids. Multiply this, this and this also. 9 fours are 36. 1 ones are 1. 8 six are 48. Now add them. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 5 here, 1 will go carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 85. Now 85 is there and 3 is also there. So carry is there, add them. 85 plus 3, this 3. 5 plus 3, 8 and 8. 88. Now 88, 8 will come here and the next 8 will go carry. Now after this triple cross, what it is here? Simple cross. Now multiply 9 6 are 54. 8 ones are 8. Add them. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 2 here. 1 will go carry. 5 plus 1, 6. It is 62. Now 62 and 1 carry is also there, 8. So add 8 also. 8 plus 2, 0. 10. 1. 1 will go carry. 6 plus 1, 7. So it is 70. 70, 0 will come here. And 7 will go carry. Now your last is I. 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 7, 16. And this is your answer. See kids, so lengthy answer it is. And if you will practice this method, you can do it in some minutes, and more practice, you can do it in some seconds. So kids, now our last sum which we will do totally orally. We will not use this rough portion also. And kids, I also suggest you that 4 to 5 sums you can do by writing this addition part in your rough work. After that, try to do the sums orally, because Vedic maths means doing all the calculations orally in your mind, and firstly in some minutes and after that in some seconds. Now the last sum, 231319, and this pattern now I will write here. Now after doing 4 sums, you are familiar with this method. So first of all you will multiply this. Students, this question we will do orally without using any rough work, but for doing orally your addition should be strong. आपका addition and multiplication strong होना चाहिए. Like if you will have to multiply 9 with 4, 9 4s are, so directly you will say 36. We will not count 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. No. This will take time. You should know the dodging. What dodging means? Dodging means that you know how to multiply the number directly. Now if I will say 9 6s are, so directly you will say 54. You will not count 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4 36. No. Directly you will tell the digits. And addition, if I will say 9 plus 2, directly you will say 11. If I will say 8 plus 5, you will say 13. So this is the addition and multiplication. And one thing more, kids, I want to tell you that whenever you will multiply, the digits are very small. Means if you will multiply here any number, you will always get the number from 0 to 9. Never ever you will get the number more than 9. See, 9, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1. They are all less than 9 or 9. So let's start. See, first of all I. So 9 1s are 9. Then after it, cross. So 9 3s are 27. Keep it in your mind, 27. And 1 1s are 1. So 27 plus 1, 28. 8 will come here and 2 will go carry. See, again I am telling you, 9 3s are 27. 27 I have kept in my mind, 27. And then 1 1s are 1. Now 27 plus 1, 28. 28, 8 will come here, 2 will go carry. Now the next is triple multiplication. Now 9 2s are 18. 18 kept in your mind. 3 1s are 3. 18 plus 3, 21. Now 3 1s are 3. 21 plus 3, 24. 24 plus 2 carry, 26. 6 here, 2 will go again carry. And this carry remove. Kids, addition I am doing. If you are not able to do this addition by keeping in your mind, this means you need a lot of practice, because for maths your addition should be strong. Again I am repeating, 9 2s are 18, 3 1s are 3. 18 plus 3, 21. Then 3 1s are 3. Then 21 plus 3, 24. 24, then 2 was there carry. 24 plus 2, 26, and 6 here, 2 will go carry. Now the next is X cross. Now 2 1s are 2, keep it in your mind. 3 3s are 9. So 9 plus 2, 11. 11, 2 here again. 11 plus 2, 13. 13, 3 here. 1 will go carry. And the last is 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. And this is your answer without doing any calculation. If you will do a 3-digit multiplication, अगर आप 3-digit multiplication करेंगे तो आपकी 3 rows बनेंगी. You will form 3 rows. and then you will get the answer, and it can be wrong. वो गलत हो सकता है. But by this method, orally I have done all the calculation. I have not used any rough page or I have not done any rough work, and directly I have got the answer. So kids, it's very easy method. By this pattern, you can do the calculations orally. Kids, 3-4 sums you can do by writing the addition part, but after that try to do the sums like this orally in your mind. So I hope kids you like my today's video. Our today's topic, which was IXI method 3 digit. With this video, I have also given you one practice PDF. Kids, do that practice PDF in your Vedic Maths notebook and try to do the sums orally without doing any rough work. So students, make sure you watch every single video, and in my next video, I will take the topic IXI method 4 digit. Means a 4 digit number you can easily multiply in your mind. So kids, just stay tuned to learn more. Thank you. Practice the sums at home. Like and subscribe the video. Thank you.